I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas.
Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. I decided to take my drone out for the first flight, and I have a cool model aircraft field just a mile from my house. So I wanted to give it a spin. This is going to be a quick little how-to with my Ruko F11 Mini. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you are a drone flyer as well. Please enjoy the video. Alright gang, I made it. I look a mess. The lighting is bad over here for this angle, but I can't use my good camera because I forgot my memory card at home. So I had to use the memory card from my camera to put it into the drone. This one takes a mini or micro SD. There it is right there, the memory card. So I'm gonna need my phone to record the footage, but let me give you guys a look at the area. That's much better. My husband's here with me, so don't worry about safety. I'm by the Jackie Robinson Parkway. This is an official area for drone flying. This is called a model aircraft field. So if you're looking for something like that in New York, that's what you will plug into Google and it'll give you the areas. I think it's only about 5. There's 1 or 2 out here in Queens, 1 in Brooklyn. I think there's 1 in Brooklyn, but I think for that one you can't fly drones. There's 1 in Staten Island, and I think there's 1 in Manhattan or the Bronx, but not lower Manhattan, further uptown. So let me give you guys another view. Alright, again, so that's the drone we're flying, the Ruko F11 Mini. And this is what the field looks like. I showed you guys, I guess the entrance. It's not a marked area, so you really have to follow the map on this one. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. I need my phone to operate the drone, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna use the controller. I'm gonna put my phone in there and see what kind of footage I get. It's my first time, so if the footage is rocky or not of quality, I apologize. The wind today is 6 miles per hour and it's 46 degrees, if that matters to anyone. So I'm giving y'all a closer look of my phone. So the first thing you want to do is be on Wi-Fi, and you want to be connected to your drone. In this case, we're connected to the Ruko F11 Mini. And then you want to head into the Ruko app, which is there. I know it's sideways. And go ahead and start it up. So it gives you a view of what you're seeing. This is the home screen you're going to open up to, and you'll need to calibrate your drone. I'll try to get that in the next footage, but pretty much it's going to ask you to rotate your drone going around like this, and you're going to need to turn it 3 times. Obviously you'll need 2 hands for that, and after that part is calibrated, then it's going to ask you to turn it like this and then rotate it again 3 times. So the next thing you're going to want to do is hit control, which is right here, and then you're going to hit this little arrow, and it's going to tell you to slide to start your motor. So that's what I'm going to do, and then the motors start on the drone. Now my husband's going to take over recording, so this part is going to be voiceover. So after your motors have started, you're going to hit take off, and the drone is going to rise. circles are going to pop up for you to control the drone. So this side is going to take your drone up a level or down levels, and then this is just going to control where it flies. So let's give you guys a look of controlling. So that's just controlling using this. I'm still trying to get a hang of the up, down, left, and right, but that's another thing. So to bring your drone down, you're gonna hit the downward arrow and slide so it can land. And obviously you want it to land in a safe spot. And luckily in this part, it has a circle for you to safely land. All right, that was pretty dope. So I gotta get a hang of recording just straight raw footage off the drone. I'm about to go up again and try to get some more recordings and see the controls. It's all over the place right now. So I'm about to take her up again.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave,
I really enjoyed flying. As you can see, it's not much to see in this area, so I may hit up the other field that's just 3 miles from my house. I really enjoyed flying this drone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
find love.
Fireside.